birthday.
So you're taking a picture.
Since it's Adam's birthday, we decided to go to Cracker Barrel for breakfast. That's his favorite place.
My favorite breakfast place.
I didn't get your finger in there. Do it again.
My favorite breakfast place. It's nice and hot. Oh,
Adam's
don't make
a little
fun of me.
white girl. He brings his pumpkin spice from 7-Eleven. We literally grab like a handful of these things.
It's because I'm lactose intolerant. These are milk-free, and all they have here is real cream. So, I'm smart. I'm basic, but smart.
I didn't even think it was possible to leave that many on the board.
Hey, 6 is not that bad. 6? You did the same thing I did?
Yeah, I love 6 too. So we're heading out to Adam's mom's house to have their little birthday shenanigans, and then we're gonna head back to our house. We have a load in the morning that they just gave us, a little mini. We're gonna run from Ocala to St. Pete, and then probably come back, and maybe hopefully they'll have another little mini for us to do on Thursday. And then we have Halloween Horror Nights coming up for Adam's actual birthday. Well, not his actual birthday. Today's his actual birthday. But we have a little Halloween Horror Nights weekend in Orlando coming up. We have the hotel booked and everything. We're going to stay Saturday and Sunday. So that'll be our next vlog. But after we go and hang out with his mom for a little bit, we're going to come back and we're going to dye Adam's hair. So Adam will no longer be a blue-haired man. We just dropped off at the Tropicana Field in St. Petersburg. It is a beautiful day out. We're heading back home. We're heading back home now. We're gonna hop on 275. And there's this really beautiful bridge that we're gonna go across on the way home. So, whoa!
You're falling apart up here too.
We are falling apart in this truck. Well, I'll show you the, look at those beautiful palm trees. Florida is just beautiful. Look at those clouds. We'll show you that bridge right now. Yeah, so we're right there. And now I'll go take you back outside and show you what it looks like now. Marley taking her poop before it starts real bad. What is it? It's Friday morning. It's 10:53 a.m. on Friday, October 7th. All the footage before this was from Thursday evening.
More images now from Daytona Beach. Ooh, that is a giant garbage can showing in the storm surge washing up on hotels there. You can just see things flying around, all this debris. Looks like the car lights are on there.
We were talking about the Sunglow Pier just a short time ago. That's in Daytona Beach Shores area, right off the dump.
We just have so many trees around this house. It's ridiculous.
It's Friday now, October 7th at 7:11 p.m. 7-Eleven. I love 7-Eleven. Anyways, we are about around here where the mouse is, maybe a little north, and the storm's gone now. We didn't even lose power at all. If we did last night, it was quick because it didn't even wake me up. So, we made it through, and it really wasn't very bad inland. The coast got it really bad, as I showed you earlier in the vlog. But now I'm editing right now because this weekend we're going to be going to Halloween Horror Nights. But everything here is fine. This is the end of the vlog, so like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.